So I want to start composting. I've never done that before, but I think it's necessary for starting a garden. I got this composter online. It's a tumbling dual chamber composter. This is what it looks like. You can roll it so your compost tumbles. It had really good reviews. It had like over 4 stars out of 5 on Amazon. And it was like, it had like over 13,000 reviews. So anyways, that's what I'm starting with. And I'm pulling all the parts out right now and I'm going to put it together. I'm going to tell you how easy or how hard it is to put together by yourself. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm just going to talk you through the setup process. Everything came very well packaged. I will say the instructions that the little booklet came with were not very thorough, but it did provide a website that you can go online and look up the instructions with like step-by-step pictures, and I ended up printing those off. I basically just use a wrench and a screwdriver for the whole process. And once you get it started, it was pretty easy to just keep going with each little panel on the sides. There were a lot of little nuts and screws, but everything fit together really well. This is a dual chamber and it has this little slide-on door. That way you can fill up one side, and while that's composting, you can start filling your other side, which is mainly the reason why I bought this, so I'd have 2 composts going at the same time. And it had little vents on the side, which was really nice. Overall, it took me about 45 minutes to an hour to put together. Once I took it outside, I added my kitchen compost to it, as well as some grass clippings and some other brown materials from my yard. I'll definitely do a follow-up video on how fast it composts, and I linked it in my Amazon storefront.